You want to know a secret to earn $20 instantly? Well, then came to the right place. You don't have to leave home or deal with a workload, you just have to click on the link and earn $20. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's completely true, and imagine if you click on it 10 times or more, you will earn $200 or far more. This is legit and absolutely free, no matter who you are and where are you in world. Make sure to keep an eye out and don't miss anything important as I show you how to do it with real examples. Just keep on watching and start making hundreds or even thousands of dollars online. The website we want to show you today is www.offervault.com. And if you are thinking how this website works and what is its payout method, you can actually see the website homepage that you can actually get paid up to $50, and if you keep on scrolling you will find more offers that can be of $700 or more. Now, if you're searching for offervault.com, the first thing we want you to do is scroll below and look for this particular category. Trending searches can be found and listed here. It tells about top 10 different categories in which you should concentrate your precious time and efforts. You will also find here gift cards, and we are here to demonstrate you how to use them. All you have to do is to click on gift card category, and it take you to this page where you will all the gift card offers, and when you scroll down further you will find on the left section, and in the first column they actually offer a name, and you can see that it is actually the name of the offer, and from here you can see he payout here like this one, which is dollars, and remember that you can do this all over again. It's not just one, but you will find a huge bundle of offers here. Look at this offer here where you can find this amazing 500 Amazon gift cards offer. Here you can find $20 with just a single click. It will get by clicking on this link we mentioned, and it will bring you to this page. On OfferVault you will find countless different offers, and you do not have to do any work at all. Only clicking will help you get $20 and even more. The tone of your voice when you speak can tell a lot about you. As a salesperson, you want people to understand your point. For this, it doesn't mean that you speak in a loud voice. Speaking like this will make people think that you're rude and unapproachable. And this is the last thing you want for people to think of you with a job as yours. To prove a point and make it have a strong impact on the person in front of you, speak at a low voice. You can raise it slightly while stating facts, but make sure to lower it down back again when you're done. Keep watching this video to know how to get $20 over and over again. All you have to do is to repeat the simple strategy and apply it to any offer that suits you, because right now you are now OfferVault and you can make as much money as you want. Now we will show you how to get numerous free clicks from any country in the world. This is a secondary website where you can get a lot of free traffic and people to click on your link, and we know that you also know this website since it is popular. This website is called Pinterest. Stay with me and we will show you to sign up later, but for now we will show you few examples. As you can see on Pinterest homepage, you can already see a lot of Amazon gift card pictures. Take anyone for example, so many people displaying various free Amazon gift cards. If you will on any image, it will take you to another page, and here when you scroll down below, you can see that this is actually a link, as you will find out a $500 gift card. And this guy will make money if you click on this link over here or fill in the details. And as you can see, a lot of people are using this exact strategy to get a lot of people on their Pinterest link. All they do is to post a picture and share it with others. For instance, here is another Amazon gift cards. Then it's very simple to create a post here at Pinterest. Just write description, add a picture, make a title, and a link that is in fact a CPA affiliated link. When you click to this link right here, fill in the details and click on this button that will be considered one click, and the person who posted that offer will earn $20. It's that simple. So we know what you are thinking right now. How can you recreate these images? And trust me, we are here with you to tell you how you will get them. And yes, you will get them for absolutely free. You don't need to create any of these images, nor do you need any technical or design skills. Still scared? We will show you to create a free Pinterest account. First, you will open Google and search for Pinterest and hit the first link, and from there you will be taken to Pinterest homepage, and it will ask you to sign up with your email address and password. Pinterest is a platform where a lot of people share images and photos on this website. This is totally made for people of every age and gender, and since it is totally free and available no matter where you are from. Once you log into your Pinterest account, you will find huge variety of photos at their dashboard. Basically here you can find various recommendations and suggestions, And to create a pin, all you have to do is to click on the link at the right side. After doing this, Pinterest will take you to another page, and here you will do the easiest thing on earth: upload an image. Give a title such as "Giving away a $500 gift card" along with a brief description above. All the most important thing is to leave a link, as you can see here at the destination link. So I just demonstrate you the process of how to put up a photo and fill out all the information. As you know, Pinterest is a popular website and hundreds of thousands of people came across it daily, and many of them will search for Amazon free gift cards and eventually come across your images. Now, how do people will reach to your post? Well, it's simple. The more images you post and the more PM you sent, you are more likely to get more clicks, and people will claim their Amazon free gift card. And imagine a number of people every day click on your photo, and each one of them will bring you $20. Some of them fill the form while the rest of them will not fill it, but the chances of filling the form will be high because it is no scam and there is no money involved. They simply ask to fill up the form, and with just one click you can earn $20 USD. Worries aside, you don't have to pay for anything, and now I would like to share you how you get free and aesthetically pleasing images from Google. When you go to google.com, simply click on Images and type your basic keyword like free Amazon gift cards and choose your favorite from numerous options, download it, and then copy and paste it by drag and drop method, and tada, you are all set to make hundreds of dollars. Just post frequently and send PM on Pinterest. Keep one thing in mind: all of these images are copyright protected, so you can't just copy someone else's photo, and in fact doing this is illegal. And to save you from this, we have an additional step for you. Go to the settings and click on this link to see your advanced search. Once you locate it, click on that, and that will bring you to this page where you can see your usage rights. And if you take a moment and scroll down to the bottom, here you will find default usage is all licenses, and you will select Creative Commons licenses, which allows you to legally share images with others. Either you want to download them and copy, paste them further, you are all free to do so. Just make sure to use this category for usage rights, and don't forget to click on this blue advanced search button, and from there you will discover a link right there is basically bound to show you images that are under Creative Commons licenses, and because of this you can use those images. Now you are at the final steps of uploading a photo at Pinterest by simply drag and drop method and click on the upload button to simply upload after adding a catchy title and appealing description, and you are all set to make $20 per click. You can repeat the same procedure to upload another picture, download a picture from Google from copyright-free section, and create a post at Pinterest like you did before. People will eventually come to your post and click and fill the form further, because why not? They will be getting free Amazon gift cards free just by clicking and filling the form. At least I won't hesitate. People will eventually come to your post and click and fill the form further, because why not? They will be getting free Amazon gift cards free just by clicking and filling the form. At least I won't hesitate. If you find this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell for more money-making videos.